In today's video, we're going to be talking and trading COT, C-O-T. So what does it mean and why are we talking about? Now, COT is actually a short abbreviation for change of trend. COT, COT, change of trend. Now, why are we talking about this? So a frequent question that I always get asked from subscribers and BD members is, what do I trade when I don't have the buy and short in front of me? Perhaps I'm on holiday, perhaps I'm traveling. How do I trade? Well, in fact, I actually trade directly off my phone. So as you know, I trade the buy and short indicator with arrows, bands, TCA line, the Mogwai strategy, but I also have a very in-depth knowledge of support and resistance, supply and demand, trends, break of structure, and I've been trading like that for around 7 years now. I use the Mogwai strategy to give me my entry point into the market, but when I get a Mogwai signal, I'm looking for structure around that setup, a reason for me to want to take it. Is it around a support and resistance level? Is it with the trend? Is it against the trend? And yeah, over the years, I've just fine-tuned my skill set to master that perfectly. If you ask me to trade anything else, I'd probably be not very good at it. But support and resistance, trends, pullback, structure, with the buy and short indicator, I am perfect. Okay, but what do I do when I don't have the buy and short in front of my charts? Now, believe it or not, I in fact actually run the binary destroyer on a VPS. So if I know that I'm not going to be on my charts for a couple of days, I will run the binary destroyer on a VPS and I will get it to send me Mogwai signals to my phone. But there is a problem with doing that. Okay, I know that when I get a Mogwai signal sent to my phone, that it will probably be most likely around the support and resistance area, because Mogwai signals appear around support and resistance levels. So I know when I get a Mogwai signal, it's going to be around the support and resistance. But that is about as much as I know. I can't see the bands. I can't see what the TCA line's doing. I can't see the MACD. I can't see the RSI. I just know I have a Mogwai because it sent me a signal to my phone on a particular currency pair. So what I then do is I load up my phone and then look for change of trends. Okay, I look for COT, change of trends. I'm looking for perhaps a support and resistance area. I then scale it down to the lower time frames and look for a change of trend. Now, a change of trend can also be called a number of different things as well. Change of character, trend reversal patterns, momentum switch patterns, and trend patterns. Basically, what I'm looking for is obviously a Mogwai signal around a support and resistance area, and then scaling it down to the lower time frames and looking for the patterns to enter a trade. So using the binary destroyer like usual, giving me an entry point, then using the price action and entering a trade. Now, obviously, I'm doing this all off my phone. So in today's video, I thought I would show you the price action on why I enter trades on my phone based around price action. Now, regardless if you don't have the binary destroyer indicator, understanding what I'm about to show you will make a big difference to your trading, because you can trade this perfectly off your phone. This is how I trade pretty much every single time that I'm not on the charts. The buy and short will be sending me signals to my phone, and I'll be looking for change of characters, change of trends to look to enter trades. So yeah, let's jump on the charts now and I'll show you a change of trend. So as you probably know by now, this is how I trade the binary destroyer indicator when it's in front of me on my screen. So I look for setups like this, okay? 5-minute time frame, we have a Mogwai setup. MACD has gone overbought or sold. Price has just closed below the TCA line. TCA line's turned red. Target the bottom of the zone. Nice in and out trade, pretty much no drawdown. The only thing I would say is not good about this trade is the TCA lines come out slightly against the trend. So before I take the setup, or before I decide if I'm going to take the setup, I look at the higher time frames. What is this setup telling me? Is it with the trend? Is it against the trend? Is it around support and resistance? So let's just bring up some naked price action now, and let's go to the 1 hour chart. Okay, now this setup in fact appeared here. Okay, it appeared at a nice area of support and resistance. So you can see here we had a nice area of support, nice touch here, touch there, touch there. Price has come down, retouched it here. So basically what we got is a downtrend. We've got a pullback, and now we've got a nice little sell at a resistance area on the 1 hour time frame, and my target is at the bottom of the zone there. So I know now on the 1 hour what this Mogwai signal was telling me. Okay, so when I go back to the 5-minute time frame now, okay, and I load up the binary destroyer now, this Mogwai signal here makes perfect sense. You can see exactly why I take the trade, target the bottom of the zone, in and out trade, no messing, no drawdown, no panicking, just a nice clean trade with the trend based off the 1 hour. Now this is with the binary destroyer in front of me, okay, but what do I do when I don't have the binary destroyer in front of me? So to do that, we do something called change of character. Now what I've got here now is Euro USD on the 5-minute time frame on the left, and I've got Euro USD, hold on, I'm doing that wrong. I need the 1 hour charts. Hold on there. Charts, and instead, I'm going to bring up the 1 hour instead. You can see that I haven't rehearsed this, so I don't know what's going to happen. I don't know how many setups we're going to get. I don't know if, you know, we're going to win, we're going to lose. You know, like I said, everything is completely freestyle when I do this. So yeah, what I've got now is 5-minute time frame, Euro USD on the left and 1 hour on the right. I use the 1 hour to look for confirmations, and then I look to enter off the 5-minute. Now, when you are trading off your phone, I do this all on my phone. When you're trading off your phone and you're in a supermarket, you're on holiday, you're on a beach, you're at the airport, you can't necessarily go for 5-10 pips. You can't trade off the 1 minute time frame targeting 5 or 10 pips. It's too fast. You can't do it. Because we're trading off a phone and we're out and about, we have to look at the bigger picture, and we have to target the bigger trades, the bigger pips, going for like 50 or 100 pips, big swing moves. Okay, so we're going to be going off the 1 hour time frame, looking for support and resistance, and we're going to look for change of character or change of trend on the 5-minute time frame. Okay, now like I said, normally the binary destroyer is going to send me a Mogwai signal to my phone. I bring that up, I look at the 1 hour for support and resistance. If I got that, I go back to the 5 minutes and I look for a change of trend patterns. Okay, patterns to tell me that price is going to reverse at this support and resistance level. Like I said before, I don't have the binary destroyer in front of me. I can't see the MACD, I can't see the RSI, I can't see the TCA line, I can't see the bands, right? I just see a Mogwai arrow. That is all. Okay, so let's press play on this simulator. And the first thing we're going to look for is we're going to look for a setup. Okay, so I'm just going to press play here. Okay, and we will see how we get on. Okay, so at the minute, price is coming up into an uptrend, so nothing really happening at the minute. Okay, so still in an uptrend, still in an uptrend. Oh, hang on here. Hang on here, hang on here, hang on here. Okay, right, this, I might actually, just to prove my point here, I might actually have a Mogwai signal at the top. Let me just have a quick look, okay? Hopefully we've got a Mogwai signal at the top. And yeah, okay, we did. Okay, so we got a Mogwai signal here. So obviously this Mogwai signal got sent to my phone, okay? That's all I know. Can't see the bands, can't see the TCA line. I just know I got a Mogwai signal. So as soon as this happens now, okay, I look at the 1 hour charts and I see, okay, what do I see off the 1 hour charts? I see this nice area of resistance, okay? I can see it on my phone. I can see it here on the charts. We've got rejection, 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 rejection. Great, nice. I'm looking for a trade. I've got a Mogwai signal. It's at the 1 hour resistance. Let's look for a change of character on the 5 minutes. Now I've actually paused this perfectly. In fact, I'll actually tell you where I would enter. This is exactly where I'm going to enter a trade. Okay, now this is called change of character, change of trend, reversal patterns. It's called number of different things. Okay, but take note of what I'm doing here, and you can use this to master price action like me. Okay, as I mentioned before, price will always move in structure: uptrend, pullback, uptrend, pullback, uptrend, pullback, uptrend. In fact, let's make this a little bit, let's make it blue. Okay, you see that, can't you? Uptrend, pullback, uptrend, pullback, uptrend, pullback, uptrend, pullback, uptrend. 1 hour resistance at the top. Okay, price comes down, creates a new low. There's the new low, there's the previous low. You see that? Pulls back, there's the new high in the market. Okay, it's lower than this high. Price comes down again, creates the second low. That pulls back there, there's the third low. This is where I'm entering just here, because this is no longer an uptrend, this is a downtrend. Now for a change of trend to happen, I'm looking for 2 significant lows and 2 significant highs. Okay, this will prevent you from getting stopped out. Okay, normally what happens, this is more of an SMC trade. Okay, price is in an uptrend like this here. Okay, and then you'll get a random spike like this here. A lot of sellers start to sell the market, and then what happens, price reverses, stops everybody out. You get took out, you lose the trade, price drops. Okay, so to prevent this from happening, what I do and what I've been taught is this: uptrend, 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 price comes down. Okay, reverses, the people that sold here would have got stopped out. Okay, they would have lost the trade, they entered too early, creates a lower high, comes back down. This is my second low in the market. There's the first low, price pulls back, then I look to sell, price drops. So I'm looking for 2 significant lows or 2 significant highs. Okay, we have this just here. Okay, so normally what I would do is I'd see this off the 5-minute time frame and I'd go, great, I'm taking this trade. I'm going to go for a I'll go for a 15 pip stop loss. So 15 pip stop loss. Okay, the reason why I put a stop loss is it's above the 1 hour resistance. So if you go to the 1 hour, you can see the resistance. So let's see how this plays out. Okay, I can see a change in character, change in direction, change in, it's a downtrend. Okay, I'm seeing a downtrend. Okay, so price has pulled up significantly, but because I put my stop loss above the 1 hour, okay, again, keep an eye on what's happening. See again the lower high here. Okay, so again, keep an eye on the patterns, right? Keep an eye on what I'm seeing. Lower high, lower low, like this. Keep an eye, right? Keep an eye, and you'll start to see the patterns as it happens, right? I'm looking for maybe another move down, then a pullback, another move down, pullback. Okay, so we come back up here. Bang. Okay, wasn't expecting that. And my target on this, you know what, I'm going to target, let me just have a quick look here. Now we're in trade. Okay, just want to pause it here. You see the pullback again. You see this nice little pullback on the 5 minutes. Look at this on the 1 hour. What did we pull back right up into? See this, see this pullback level here. See that? See the structural level here? Price break structure, pulls back, and again, we're going to drop again from this level. So, if you missed this initial sell-off, you wait for the pullback and you enter again. Now, obviously, does price pull down? Yeah, okay, and again, nice little continuation. Now, I would normally close this off. Let me just have a quick look. I'd probably close it off there, to be honest with you. Literally closed, done. Okay, I've literally made 8% on this trade. That is pretty much how I trade, right? I'm targeting the bigger picture. So obviously binary destroyer sends me a signal to my phone. I then look at the 1 hour resistance. Is it round support and resistance? Yes. Go back to the 5 minutes, then look at change of character. Okay, so let's do this a few more times now. Okay, so next trade. Okay, next trade. Okay, now first of all, I'm just going to pause it here because in fact, I can't see anything on the 5 minutes, on the 1 hour. I know we're in a downtrend. Okay, so I know we're in a downtrend off the 5 minutes. Okay. Okay. And I'm just going to pause it here. By the way, okay, a lot of you lot, and you're probably going to ask this here, Jamie, why am I not taking this sell here? Why do I not take this sell here? Based off price action, why is that not a downtrend? Why are you not selling from this level here to take it down? I knew you'd ask that question, and I'm going to answer it. Because if you go to the 5 minutes now, we haven't got a change of trend, okay? It's creating higher highs. Look at this, look. Uptrend, pullback, uptrend, pullback, uptrend. Okay, it's an uptrend, right? It's not telling me it's a downtrend. If this was a downtrend, I'd be like this here. Okay, so at the minute, I'm not taking a sell from this level. I'm just not interested in it. Okay, we're probably going to break the level, to be honest with you. And there you go there. We break above it. Okay, that's how you avoid losing trades. Okay, so price comes down here. You know what? You know what? We've just closed it. I just want to show you something, right? Hold on here. I might have. Yeah. Here we go. Here, right? Here's my point, right? we'll take this sell now just to prove my point. Okay, you see the resistance area here. Okay, keep an eye on the 5 minutes now. Okay, look what we have. Oh, you can't see. Yes, you can. Right, you see the uptrend movement here. Uptrend, pullback, uptrend, pullback, uptrend, pullback, uptrend. Price goes sideways. We know it's sideways because there's a resistance area. Now, I don't think I'm going to get a Mogwai signal here. I don't think I've got a Mogwai signal here. Let's have a look. No, I haven't. I've got a buy Mogwai signal against the trend, but I haven't got a sell signal. So normally I wouldn't take this trade, but just to prove the point of change of character, you know, looking at the patterns. Look at, hopefully we pull back. No, we didn't. We just here, right? See this here, right? You see that pattern just there? So again, two significant lows or two significant highs. Uptrend, pullback. Okay, uptrend, lower high, it's lower than this high. It comes down, it pulls back. There's the second low. It comes down, it pulls back, second low. See that? There's the low, there's the previous low, there's the previous low before that one. Okay, you see that? Downtrend movement. Just for the sake of this trade, I'm going to take the trade. Okay, I'm going to take the trade. So we're going to go for a... we'll go for a 10 pip stop loss. So 10 pip stop loss, okay? So, you know, like I said, normally I wouldn't take this trade because the Mogwai signal wouldn't give me a setup. But, you know, just to show you that this price action pattern works... Again, with the trend off the 1 hour charts, okay, I'm going to take the trade down, okay? Again, see there? See that? See that? That is now the fourth low. The fourth low. See that? Well, you've even got a better entry point here. Look. Low, 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 high, 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 high. It's a downtrend. It's a downtrend off the 1 hour resistance, okay? Couldn't be any more simpler, yeah? You know, I know, this price is coming down. And to prove the point, we're going to target the bottom of the zone here. So my take profit is there, okay? Hopefully this trade wins, which it should win because price action is telling me to sell. Price comes down. Okay, there we go. There, again, we're waiting for pullbacks, trend down, pullback, trend down, pullback, trend down. I'm going to keep holding it. I'm going to keep holding it. Because we're below the moving average, below the resistance area. Here we go. There we come down. Again, I'm just going to pause it here. Again, keep an eye on the 1 hour. See how it's, again, making lows. See the lows in the market. Comes down, pulls back, comes down, pulls back. So again, I'm expecting price on the 1 hour to maybe pull back again before coming down. So let's just keep an eye on the 1 hour to see if that happens, yeah? Okay, there we go. There's the pullback. There was the pullback. And where did it pull back to? To previous structure. Just there. See that? Again, could be another entry point down. But obviously, we're already in the trade, way up here. So, you know, I mean, we're literally up 11% of one trade. But yeah, that's pretty much it is, right? Obviously, I'm targeting the bottom of the zone. Hopefully, we come down. Again, we've just broken structure. See how we've broken structure now? So I'm just going to wait for one more push down. And then I'm going to close the trade off. There we go there. So close all. We made 13%. That's pretty much it. Okay. That's pretty much it. Okay. So we'll find a couple more trades and then we'll carry that on now. So we'll carry on here. Okay. Okay, here we go here, right? I'm not going to take this trade, but just to prove my point here, you see how we came down to the support line. See how we came down to the support line. So 1 hour support. Let's go down to the 5 minute time frame now. And can you see that break or that break of structure? We come down, we pull back, we come down, we create a new high, we come down, we pull up. Okay, even though I didn't take this trade because I didn't really spot it, but can you see the lows? Low, new low, higher low, higher low. See that? You can see the change in character, the change in direction, can't you? Change of trend. Downtrend creates a new high. So higher low, boom, boom, boom. Yeah, that's what's happened here. Yeah, you see that? We come up, we pull back again. This would be a nice little buy from this level. Okay, I'm not going to take I mean, just to prove my point, okay, that this will go into an uptrend. Watch this here. Okay, see that nice little structure here? Trend up, pull back. Okay, we'll probably go, in fact, we might even know we won't get a mogwai signal off the 1 hour here, but just to see what happens. Ready? Look. Okay, price comes down. Okay, we might okay, yeah, you would have got a few pips, maybe you would have got around 17 pips. I'm not going to take that trade only because I'm looking for a support and resistance on the 1 hour. Okay, obviously I would be buying here, I wouldn't be buying at the top there, but just to prove my point that that support line got held, you know, that's 18 pips to the upside. You know, if you spotted that nice little uptrend come down, uptrend, you would have won the trade based off the 1 minute time frame. Okay, obviously, but I'm not going to take that because we weren't off the 1 hour. Okay, so let's just carry on, press and play. What I'm going to do is I'm going to delete all these blue boxes again, because when I do this simulation I get distracted by all the blue boxes and I like to have a clean chart. So let's just press play here. Okay, you know what, I think, you know what, I'm going to enter another buy just here. Okay, see what I'm see this on the look. This is actually right. Again, change of character. You see how, right? You see how, keep an eye on this, right? This might be better from here, right? See how we've now gone, keep an eye on the 1 hour. Downtrend, pullback, downtrend, pullback, downtrend. Uptrend, pullback, uptrend. See that nice support line just there? Can you see that support line? See that just there? Right? I guarantee we're probably going to go up from this level. And just to have a look here, look what's happening on the on the 1 minute. Okay, on the 5 minutes. Look. Okay, can you see how we've just gone higher here? See that? So high, previous high. See this here? I want to see if that stays above here, because if it does, we've now got uptrend happening. See that? Okay, let's see where this goes to now. Okay, so just, okay, here we go here. It's still at this level. It's still at this level. See here? So even though this support line is holding, see what's happening here? Uptrend, pullback, uptrend, pullback. Still, it didn't go lower. Okay, so what I'm looking for now is a potential uptrend. Okay, so hopefully we, again, support line gets held. Support line gets held. Okay, again. Okay, here we go here. Again. Okay, let me see what the 5 minutes is, 1 hour sent. Okay, see how the support line's being held? See the support line? So we might actually have it just here. Just here. Let me just find out. Come on. Yes. Yes, just here. Okay, hold on. I'll probably wait one more candle. Let me just make a new high. There we go there. There's the new high. Just there. Let me pull back. Come on, pull back. Yes. Just there. Just watch this. Okay, watch this here. Okay, see this? Watch this, right? So obviously, let me rephrase that. You see the support line here? You see that support line there? That is the 1 hour support line just there, yeah? On the 1 hour, it's above the support line. So what's that telling me? Okay, there's the support line here. Okay, price has trended down. Okay, come down to it, which is just there. It's bounced off it. It's come down. It's then come back up it, and it's kind of doing like this. Okay, it's kind of doing like this. So what do you think is going to happen now? Bang. Yeah, because it's above the support line. It's a break and retouch to the upside. Yeah. In fact, I was going to say you get a mogwai signal, but I don't think you would. And look what we got right on the 5 minutes. Look what we got right on the 5 minutes. Uptrend. Uptrend. Hold on. Uptrend. Pull back. There's the low. There's the previous low. Uptrend. New high. New high gets formed. Pulls back. Okay. To that support line just there. See that support line just there? I guarantee we're going to rock it up from this level, because I've got the 5 minute. I've got the 1 hour telling me the exact same thing. Okay. So again, I'm going to take this trade. I'm going to go for a 10. I'll go for let me see what the 1 hour is saying. Yeah, I'll go for a 10 pips. Okay, I'll go for a 10 pips, right? Let's see what happens here, okay? Can you see that? Hopefully you can see that. You're watching this and go, it makes sense. Everything's telling me to buy now. Okay, let's see what happens. We come down. Don't stop me out. Yes, here we go here. There's the new high. See the new high. See the new high being formed. Okay, so there we go there. That's better. See that? So uptrend, uptrend, uptrend. There's the high. There's the low. There's the low. See that? It's going into an uptrend. So expect to continue up now. Oh, that's a little bugger. That literally stopped me out. And I bet you. Let me see what the 1 hour is saying. You know what? I'm gonna look. I'm gonna enter that again because that's a typical stop hunt just there. Typical. Yeah. You see that? You see that? I knew that was going to happen, and typically price said, yep, okay, liquidity sweep. I'm going to take a few buyers out, stop them out, boom, a rocket price up. But can you see the pattern? It was telling me before it even happened what was going to happen. It was like a window into the future. Again, comes up, pulls back. Now, again, I'm still in this trade, and my target, I just want to give you an example here. My target, I'm just going to target the top of the zone. Okay, let's see how much we can ride this trend. Okay, so we'll go like this here. Hopefully price pulls back. Again, keep an eye on the 1 hour. Keep an eye on the 1 hour now. Okay, 1 hour is telling me the same thing. Creates a new high. See that? See the new high? Previous high. So pull back. I'm going to rock it up again, yeah? There we go there. See that? Magic, isn't it? Magic. It's like, wow, I've seen that happening. Again, target the top of the zone. So obviously I'm doing this all off my phone. Okay, I'm going to close that off there. I'd probably close that off there, to be honest with you. I'm not a greedy trader. Close all. And yeah, we've now made 17%. So let's look for one more trade. And hopefully what I'll do is I'll load up the binary destroyer at this point, and we can actually see how I would get a trade off my phone. So I'm waiting to see the 1 hour to do something. Again, like I said, I'm going to delete all the naked charts, and I'm going to wait for the 1 hour to come to a support and resistance, and then I'll take a trade. Yeah. Okay, so you know what? Just here. Here we go here. Let me just have a look here, right? I've just spotted this on the 5 minutes. Okay, so again, come down to that support line. Okay, again, we're going with the trend again. So still in an uptrend, we're going to re-enter. Okay, we're going to re-enter on this one. So again, uptrend creates a new high here. Okay, again, it's still above the moving average. It's still above the support. See how it's above the support? What I'm looking for is a change of character on the 5 minutes. So at the minute on the 5 minutes, downtrend, pull back, downtrend, pull back, downtrend, pull back, downtrend. Yeah, I can see that. But I know somewhere around here, you can't see it, but I know it's there. There is a 1 hour support line there. Okay, so let's see if we can find, here we go here. Here's a change of character. Okay, or change of trend. See that new high getting formed just here? That comes up, comes down, comes up, bang. Okay, let's see if it happens here. And I'd probably, just to show you, see if I get a Mogwai signal here. Okay, I've got a Mogwai signal here. Okay, so I probably would have got the Mogwai signal here. Like I said, if I got a Mogwai signal here, I wouldn't take this trade because the support line on this one is down here. Okay, so maybe if I got this signal sent to my phone, I might take the trade. I mean, like I said, all I know is I got a Mogwai signal, and I probably maybe would have got it. If I load up the 1 minute time frame, I can't actually chart. So let me see if I can bring up the 1 minute. No. No. The 1 minute, I probably would get a signal here. In fact, I'm guaranteed the 1 minute would give me a signal here. The 5 minutes, it hasn't. It came in a little bit early. Again, I might enter it, I might not. It all depends. But you know, let's go back to the naked price action, and again, change of character happening. Okay, uptrend. Okay, we're looking for a pullback, and remember, there's the previous low, there's the new low, there's the new high. So looking for pullback, new high being formed. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Okay, so we come down there. There we go there. So there is that new low being formed. So there is the uptrend, pullback, uptrend, pullback. Okay, do I want to buy it here? Okay, this might be a good buying opportunity here. Okay, in fact, I will just buy it and we'll go for a 10 pip stop loss. Okay, so again, stop loss above the low. Can you see what I'm doing here, right? Normally, perfect. Normally what I would do is, just to be safe, is wait for a pullback, another pullback to happen. Well, it doesn't matter. I mean, literally, I caught that perfect, didn't I? Literally caught that perfect. But, I mean, look at the 1 hour. Perfect. Look at the 1 hour. I'll close that off there. But, yeah, can you see what I'm saying here? Okay, uptrend, pullback, uptrend. And see how I'm using all of them at the same time. So, 1 hour, support and resistance. Okay, if it's at a support line, I'm looking for a buy. I'm looking for a change of trend. Okay, COT, change of trend, you know, change of character, trend reversal patterns, whatever you want to call it. Higher high, higher low, uptrend, downtrend, right? Looking for that pattern there. So yeah, there you go there, 24% gain. My name's Jamie Palmer. Hope you enjoyed today's video. And that is how I pretty much trade off my phone without the binary destroyer, but I have the binary destroyer with me because, you know, I always do. So yeah, thank you for watching, and yeah, see you later.